Hello everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing the Galaxy Buds. So this actually came with my pre-order of the S10 Plus. So these actually, I got them for free, so that's a really good thing that Samsung included these as part of your pre-order. But unfortunately I wasn't able to pick the color, so pretty much with every pre-orders you get the white Galaxy Buds. So before we unbox this, let's just take a look around. Samsung Galaxy Buds. We have the buds and also some specification, which includes 6 hours of playtime, clear call quality, wireless charging, and also designed for comfort and stability. And there's some more information on the back. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so we have the Samsung Buds with the case. And also we have a little box which includes, so this is the USB Type-C cable and also some extra wing tips or different size wing tips to swap out if the current one doesn't fit. And over here we have a little booklet. I'm just going to assume it just contains all the information and all that boring crap. It's a Galaxy Bud and warranty card. So that's the boring stuff. So here is the Samsung Galaxy Buds, and they are really small. So here's the AirPods and the Galaxy Buds. So this actually has a matte finish, whereas this one has a glossy finish. And as you can see, so this actually uses a USB Type-C, and where this one uses a lightning cable or ports to charge. And if we open it up, there you go. In terms of opening up and down, it does have a little lock. It feels a bit, it doesn't feel as good as this, you know, when the smooth opening and closing. This kind of has like a little, it almost like there's a lock between the, when you open and close. But anyways, so let's just open these up. And let's look at the earbuds. So they're very tiny. Very, very tiny. This is the right and the left. They actually have a little, almost like a ceramic white. Also not ceramic white, but like a, if you have the prism white color, it actually has a little rainbow hue to it. It's hard to illustrate on the camera, but in person, if you actually put it under the light, it actually has a rainbow effect to it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get my S10 Plus. And in order for this to work, you need to get the Galaxy Wear. Oh wow, it's already found the device. So it's very similar to an iPhone experience. It's already found the device. So let's go ahead and connect it. Access device, yeah, okay, do that, yep, and yep, okay. So it has to just allow those connections to allow access to all of it, and we'll start pairing. We're getting ready to pair. Okay, we just allow again. And congrats on your new Galaxy Bud, thank you. So we can manage a notification on the buds, we'll just keep it as it is. And there you go, so you can use the buds to use touchpad for different controls, ambient sound, and pairing with phone or tablet, and also, and one of the new features which I forgot to mention in my last video is reverse wireless charging. So if we go into notification and we turn on, where is it? Wireless power share. So we turn that on, and it's all you have to do. It's really easy because this phone can output. It can charge other wireless or other wireless devices, and this can be used to charge, and you can hear that buzz. So it's actually charging the wireless earbuds. So that's a pretty cool feature. I guess if you run out of power and you don't have any cables to deal with, or you don't have any cables on you, then you can use the wireless buds. So let's go ahead and put this in my ear, see how they fit. Wow, that's That's actually a really good fit. Okay, so I don't really have any music to play, but I'm gonna go ahead and play some music. Connect, yeah, okay. So it actually have a really good fit. I can't even hear myself. That's how good of a fit they are. So I'm just gonna go into YouTube because I don't have any, where's YouTube? Because I don't have any songs installed in here. Let's get to the main part of the track. Wow. That's actually pretty good. Wow, I'm actually really impressed with these earphones. The isolation sound is actually, you can actually hear the different isolation beats in these earphones, and they're actually really good. So overall, I'm really impressed with these earphones. I must say they're actually a lot better than the AirPods. Not a lot, but just better than the AirPods. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Buds.